Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі студенти! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Today we will learn a very important topic in the Ukrainian language, and it is very confusing for the beginners. It's called vowel alteration. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Today we will go through the most important and common vowel alterations in the Ukrainian language. The first one, alteration o, e into e. In modern Ukrainian, the sounds o and e in open syllables alternate with e in closed syllables. This change arose after the decline of reduced hard sign and soft sign that existed in Old Ukrainian. The alternation appears when change the word. So please check out the words that I'm going to read. You can also repeat after me, and I give you the most common examples, so please write it down and learn them. So кінь becomes коня, and this is the genitive case. Pay attention. Кіт кота, лід льоду, мій мого, свій свого, сім семи, шість шести, ніч ночі, осінь осені, гори гір, ноги ніг, слова слів, села сіл, Київ Києва. Pay attention. Yeah, you know that Kyiv is the capital of Ukraine, but if you say I'm from Kyiv, you have to say я из Києва. And many people are confused. Why was it Kyiv and then becomes Kyiva? And here, з Києва, from Kyiv, this is the genitive case, and we do hear the changing of the vowels. And guys, about the cases, you know that this is my favorite topic, and I'm the author of the textbook Master Ukrainian Cases. You can see this baby here, my amazing textbook that I wrote to my students, and also in this textbook I provide all these examples with the vowel alterations in different cases. So you can check out on my website speakia.com and buy it in the ebook or hardcover version. Kharkiv becomes Kharkova, also pay attention. Chernihiv, Chernigova, this is also the city in Ukraine. Okay, let's read these words together one more time. Кінь коня, кіт кота, лід льоду, мій мого, свій свого, сім семи, шість шести, ніч ночі, осінь осені, гори гір, ноги ніг, слова слів, села сіл, Київ Києва, Харків Харкова, Чернігів Чернігова. The alteration o, e appears when we make plural forms, decline nouns, but not in the nominative case and the accusative case, in the imperative mood of the verbs, or when we create a new word. And we have here an example. Українські села дуже красиві. Ukrainian villages are very beautiful. В Україні багато красивих сіл. Pay attention. In the first sentence we have села and here сіл. There are many beautiful villages in Ukraine. Так, here українські села, it's plural nominative case. Красивих сіл, it's plural genitive case. Because багато, many, after the quantity words, we use the genitive case. Okay, rule number 2. O, and no sound. O and often disappear from the closed syllable after the form change. And here we have some more examples. Кінець, кінці. Ніготь, нігті. Олівець, олівці. Хлопець, хлопці. Іноземець, іноземці. День, дні. Стілець, стільці. Будинок, будинки. Малюнок, малюнки. Let's read these examples one more time. Кінець, кінці. Ніготь, нігті. Олівець, олівці. Хлопець, хлопці. Іноземець, іноземці. День, дні. Стілець, стільці. Будинок, будинки. Малюнок, малюнки. And we have an example. Це дитячий малюнок. It's a kid's painting. Дитячі малюнки дуже цікаві. Kids' paintings are very interesting. Дитячий малюнок – it's singular, nominative case. Дитячі малюнки – it's plural, nominative case. Okay, and in the form of the genitive case, plural, or appears in the closed syllable. For example, вікно, вікон. Зірка, зірок. Кільце, кілець. Ліжко, ліжок. Ніжка, ніжок. Книжка, книжок. Жінка, жінок. Гривня, гривень. Let's read these examples one more time together. Вікно, вікон. Зірка, зірок. Кільце, кілець. Ліжко, ліжок. Ніжка, ніжок. Книжка, книжок. Жінка, жінок. Гривня, гривень. На небі велика зірка. There is a big star in the sky. На небі багато зірок. There are many stars in the sky. Again, зірка, it's singular. And a nominative case. Багато зірок. It's many stars. Багато. Again, after багато, we use the genitive case. Зірок. Okay, and we have one more rule. Rule number 3. Alteration of vowels in verbs' roots. By the way, my dear subscribers, how do you like I pronounce the word vowels? It's not vowels anymore, it's vowels. Please write some compliments to me as for the Ukrainian speaker in the comments below, because I know that previously I pronounced it vowel as a Ukrainian person, because we have this one sound v, and you messaged me so many comments about it. Oh my god. Yeah, it's okay to make mistakes, yeah? Okay. Or a. This alteration occurs in the roots of verbs and changes their meaning. Verbs with or usually indicate a long, undivided action or one-time finished action, perfective aspect. Verbs with a repeated unfinished action, imperfective aspect. For example, допомогти, допомагати. Стояти, стати. Схопити, хапати. One more time. Допомогти, допомагати. Стояти, стати. Схопити, хапати. And the last examples, і. This alternation also occurs in the roots of verbs and changes their meaning. Is used in prefix verbs of the perfective aspect and in the imperfective aspect verbs formed from them. For example, випекти, випікати. Замести, замітати. Зберегти, зберігати. Перелетіти, перелітати. One more time. Випекти, випікати. Замести, замітати. Зберегти, зберігати. Перелетіти, перелітати. Guys, vowel alteration is a very confusing topic, and you have to memorize all these changes of the vowels in the words. And especially when you learn the topic how to form plural of the nouns, cases, especially we can see it in the genitive and in the locative cases, and also we have some examples in the verbs, especially when we have imperfective and perfective aspects when we change them. So it's a topic for pre-intermediate, intermediate level students, but if you're a beginner, you also have to watch this video one more time and write down all these forms, because when you read some basic text, you can see all these changes and you can be confused, what is that? But now you know this topic. Also in the Ukrainian language we have a consonant alteration, so if you want me to record a video lesson about that, please write in the comments below, and then I will make it for you, of course. Thank you so much to my dear patrons and everybody who support my work. I appreciate it so much for all your donations. To be honest, it's very difficult for me to record new video lessons. It takes lots of my time and I feel pretty exhausted and have lots of work challenges in my life, and yes, I live in a very small room in London, so it's not convenient to do that, but I do my best to make more and more video lessons for you. Guys, if you still confused about this topic, you're welcome to buy a trial lesson just for $1 at the website speaky.com. You can have a trial lesson with a professional native teacher from Ukraine and learn Ukrainian language very, very well. Thank you so much for supporting my charity project. Buy a t-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. Check out my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Дуже-дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Inna, and papa. Bye-bye.